How excited are you to be here today?
Beyond excited. This is incredible. I cannot believe how amazing this experience has been. The amazing cast and incredible situation that my students have put me in. This is awesome. So I teach a cybersecurity class at a high school in Minnesota, actually super randomness, and they have been watching The Inside Man and as part of their training. Incredible. Like, I cannot wait for season 5. Season 4 just knocked it out of the park. So much drama and so much excitement, but so much training and knowledge and learning, and just amazing. Absolutely amazing.